Someday is not a plan when it comes to selling your firm or developing a succession plan. Openly, someday does not count. We receive lots of calls at the Law Practice Exchange about wanting to start someday, to gain knowledge, but not ready to start right now. Or maybe I'm ready, but then things get in the way. Running the practice, serving clients, otherwise get in the way. Well, the key part to know is you have to start walking. You have to take that first step and continue walking down that path to truly achieve. For example, we had a firm, Susan and Joe, out of Pennsylvania, great firm. They really wanted to find that succession by merger, right? Susan wanted to exit, retire, Joe was going to stay on. At the end of the day, though, they were ready, but didn't take those first steps. It was going to be a I'll get to it tomorrow type of plan. Well, a couple years later, we get a frantic call from Joe. And in that aspect, Susan was still there trying to focus on her retirement and exit strategy, but they were losing two of their key non-equity partners, two of their key associates that were going to walk with the books of business. Why? Because those two associates didn't see the succession plan. They were worried about the continuation plan as well. So what happened to this firm is they lost the associates, the key people that would have been the future generation. They lost all the revenue and the profit that came from that, and ultimately were set in a scramble to find any merger partner. So they lost revenue, which means they lost value for their firm, and they lost the options that would have been there if they started today in that planning, or 2 years ago today. So overall, just know that someday is truly not a plan. Starting today will help you control what you want your plan to be. It puts you in the driver's seat to make sure that you can do so. So start your plan today. Put yourself in control and watch what can happen.